Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cytaker. In this I'm going to do the Genshin Impact gameplay test and the heating test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device while using the Spinboard fan cooler. So this is a mobile cooler which I did order a couple of weeks back, and few of the users they want to know whether the Spinboard cooler was able to perform really good or not while using on the Realme GT Neo 2. The only best way to select is while playing the Genshin Impact game, which I did install at this moment, as you can clearly see friends. And right now I'll try to play the game continuously using the same settings only and using at 60 fps continuously. I'm trying to use, yes. Let me show you the settings, what graphics I'm trying to use. So graphics settings, you can see everything set to the highest value as possible. So right now at this kind of stage I'm getting I think close to anywhere between 50 to 60 fps middle I'll be getting, sometimes 40 fps as well. But definitely playing at this kind of high ultra settings, the temperatures will increase higher in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So right now I'm not using any kind of mobile cooler, but the temperatures went up to 41 degrees Celsius. As you can see, 41.2 is the highest value which we did see at this moment. Now I'm gonna use this mobile cooler, which is a Spinboard cooler, for next couple of 10 minutes of time just to check what is happening with the temperatures. Can it decrease or not? On the backside exact position where I'm going to keep is about 37.6 degrees Celsius. Okay, in this position exactly. And in this position 37.2. As you can see how the temperatures are exactly varying. So now I'll try to use the Spinboard exact cooler in this position, and for about close to 10 minutes of time I'll try to use this one, and then let's see friends what gonna happen. So this is the maximum I can actually go upside because of this power button which is in the middle. As you can see, if I try to enter on the top side, the power button will be getting pressed. That's the reason I cannot use in this way. As you can see, power button got pressed by mistakenly. So I cannot use it anything more than upper than this one. But overall the temperatures was about close to 37 degrees Celsius on the back side of the panel, and it was touching exactly the phone. Now let me need to turn on and start the stopwatch, and for next 10 minutes of time I'll try to use only the Spinboard and I'll try to play the game, and let's see whether we can actually decrease any kind of temperatures or not. Meanwhile, now it's increased to 42.4 degrees Celsius in the beginning. Okay, 42.4, and I'm trying to use this Spinboard cooler non-stop. So let's see whether can it make any kind of sense using this kind of mobile coolers while gaming or not. We'll be able to get to know this kind of answers. And again I'll be back maybe close to 5 minutes and time, then we can actually check what is happening with the temperatures. So during this time I'll try to play the game as well continuously. So you'll be able to see exactly what is happening with the temperatures and everything. 41.8 degrees, so slightly it got lower a little bit. Yes friends, I think the temperature slightly kind of cooled down. Yes, within 3 minutes of time the temperature decreased by 2 degrees. Right now it was the highest, about I think close to 40 degrees I'm getting at this moment, the highest value. I'll try to check the temperatures. As you can see, 40. So before it was 42, right? So 2 degrees decreased using this kind of Spinboard cooling just for only 3 minutes of time. So we're gonna see after some time what happens next. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm playing about close to 7 minutes of time. Still the temperature is remaining about close to 40 degrees only toward this time. And I'm playing non-stop this Genshin Impact game only at this moment. So there is no floating FPS meter to check how much the FPS we are getting exactly. That's another one problem. So maybe in the next Realme UI update we'll be able to see that kind of change as well happening. So we should not be worried about that. Floating FPS meter will be there. FPS. As you can see friends, right now we did get close to 10 minutes of time. So in the 10 minutes of time, let's check what is happening with the temperatures. 40 degrees, so it's maintaining exactly 40, 39.6 somewhere around that. So 40.2, not bad. 39.6, it's decreasing little by little in terms of the temperatures wise regarding the phone. So if you're trying to use a cooling clip, and let me try to check the back side how much it can be there. 38.2 degrees, 34.6. So all pretty cool on the back side as well, no issues. So definitely friends, using this kind of cooling clip, this can actually reduce a little bit kind of temperatures, I can definitely say that. So real-time FPS we are getting about close to 40, and temperature is about 37, 39, not problem. So it's kind of little bit kind of decreasing. So it takes some time to adjust to this kind of cooling system. So it takes some time, as I said, maybe 15 minutes or 10 minutes, but definitely it's kind of working little bit. So overall, playing for 10 minutes of time continuously, temperature dropped by 3%, I think 3 degrees, sorry, maybe close to 3 degrees, somewhere it's showing 40, still it's showing 40, maybe 2 degrees it got decreased. It's kind of not that warm, little bit kind of warm is there, but still it's kind of decreasing little bit. And let's see the temperatures exactly what is happening. 28.6 degrees Celsius, not bad. 28 and 31 we are seeing. So before it was close to 37 degrees Celsius, now it remained about 28 degrees Celsius, not bad in the back side. So this is a quick test friends using the spinboard cooling system on the Realme GT Neo 2 while playing the Genshin Impact game. These are the results which we got. So which is kind of okay, I would say. Like, it's kind of decreasing a little bit, but not a huge decrease, I would say, at this moment. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.